Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Stars, planets, maybe the moon. But there's something else up there too. Thousands of satellites orbiting silently above us, and their numbers are exploding. SpaceX's Starlink constellation alone accounts for more than 7,400 satellites. That's 60% of all active ones currently in orbit. In 2024, a new rocket launched every 34 hours on average, adding more than 2,800 satellites to orbit in just 1 year. The change is becoming visible to the naked eye. What was once just stars is now a sky increasingly filled with moving lights. This explosion isn't happening by accident. It's driven by the rise of commercial mega-constellations, massive networks of satellites designed to provide global internet and communication services. Astronomer Jonathan McDowell of Harvard and Smithsonian estimates that if we count inactive or decommissioned satellites too, the total number in orbit is close to 14,900, and that number is growing every week. Scientists talk about something called the carrying capacity of low Earth orbit, or LEO. This is essentially the maximum number of satellites that can safely coexist without a high risk of collisions. According to experts, this limit is around 100,000 active satellites. At current launch rates, we could hit this ceiling before 2050. Once we approach this limit, the risks increase dramatically. Each potential collision doesn't just destroy 2 satellites. It creates thousands of debris fragments that can trigger more collisions. The satellite surge brings several serious concerns. Space junk. Old satellites and rocket parts can crash into each other, creating clouds of debris that endanger functioning missions and astronauts. This leads to what scientists call Kessler syndrome, a domino effect of collisions that could eventually make certain orbits completely unusable for generations. Experts aren't saying we should stop launching satellites altogether. They're calling for slowing down until international space regulations can catch up with the technology. Next time you look up at the night sky and see a moving light, remember, you're witnessing both amazing human achievement and a growing challenge that requires our attention. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more explorations of science and technology challenges facing our world. Thanks for watching.